Welcome to this quick guide to getting started with the SkyCiv Google Drive integration. My name is Jake and I'm going to quickly take you through how to set up and use the SkyCiv Google Drive integration to help you maximize your productivity and export your project data directly into your Google Drive without the need to leave SkyCiv Structural 3D. The first thing we need to do is to enable the Google Drive integration in SkyCiv Structural 3D. So we're going to go to the add-ons drop-down and we're going to click to enable the first add-on. This is going to take us to our software settings, where we can scroll down to a list of add-ons and integrations. We're going to scroll down to the Google Drive option and we're going to toggle that on to enable it in the software. We'll now go back to SkyCiv Structural 3D. Alright, now that we're back in SkyCiv Structural 3D, we're going to get started with the add-on. I'm going to visit the Google Drive app in the add-ons drop-down. I'm going to launch that. Because it's the first time using Google Drive, I'm going to connect our Google account to SkyCiv. So we'll click that and then we'll sign in with our Google account. Then we need to make sure we press allow so that we can access our files in Google Drive. So once we've done that, we're going to open our first model from Google Drive. So I've uploaded some models earlier and I'm going to open this dome model. And as you can see, it's imported directly into SkyCiv Structural 3D. So we can also save models to the Google Drive app. So this time we'll click Save Model to Drive. And I'm just going to call it another dome. And I'm going to save it with the rest of my SkyCiv models. And there we go. We've successfully saved the model to Google Drive. The best feature of the Google Drive application is the ability to export your entire project, including all the reports and screenshots that go with your model, directly into Google Drive. So I'm going to switch to a new tab where I've already got a project open, and this project includes some reports, and it also includes some screenshots in my camera roll of the project already. Because I'm going to want to include the results in my export, I'm going to quickly solve my model. There we go. Then I'm going to launch the Google Drive app and I'm going to export my entire project to Google Drive. I'm going to give it a name. We'll just call it Greenhouse in this example. I'm happy for it to save in the root of my Google Drive, so there's no need to change my location. I'm going to include the model reports, the model screenshots. I'm going to create a model data spreadsheet in Google Sheets, and I'm also going to toggle on the option to include a results spreadsheet for the analysis results we just solved in Structural 3D. So when I'm ready, I'm going to click Start Export. I'll give that a minute to export the project to Google Drive. Once that's done, we can open the project in Google Drive. So I'll click on that. All right, so in Google Drive, we have our model and we also have two spreadsheets. So one for the model data, which has all the nodes, members, supports, and so on. And we also have a results data spreadsheet. So that has all our, reactions, moment, bending Z, and so on. We also have a folder for the screenshots. That was all the screenshots we took of our model. And finally, we have a reports folder. With the reports, you can open your PDF reports and you can also edit them in Google Docs, where you can make any changes you need to the report. Thank you for joining me for this quick look into the SkyCiv Google Drive integration. Be sure to check out our documentation to have a look at the other apps and integrations we offer. If you have any ideas or requests for apps and integrations you'd like to see us add, or even learn how you can build your own app for SkyCiv Structural 3D, be sure to reach out to us. Otherwise, we hope to see you around the platform soon.